How's it going, guys? Welcome to a new episode of Learning Python with me. Today, here, what the assignment requires us to do is to modify the turtle bar program so that the bar for any value of 200 or more is filled with red. Values between 100 and 200 are filled with yellow, and the bars representing values that less than 100 is filled with green. So what I figured to do over here is to change the for loop in the original program right here, so that I would like to add in some if statements to test if the value is over 100 or not, because it's the height of the bar is based on the value itself. So here, let's begin. So I figured that if we use the if loop for testing a over 200, I don't have to write 200 on the else if here again. So that's why I wrote to if a is bigger or equal to 200 over here. So as the assignment required us to do, any value over 200 should be marked red. So I changed the color into blue and red. So the first color in test.color method is to change the color of the drawing, and the second color in test.color method is to change its fill color. Actually, we can also use something like this. It's called test.fillColor, and which will also do exactly the same thing, but I just figure that it will be more clear for me to read if I use that test.color over here, because in case if I want to change the color of the grid of the bar. So next we go to else if a is larger or equal to 100, which is an else if statement. So which means at this point a must be smaller than 200. So which logically make everything that passes this else if statement, the values of a is larger than 100 and smaller than 200. And else, so after these two statements, two if tests, what left is it must be a smaller than 100. So I change the color to green. So here is what it does. In upper, I also done everything that exercise 9, exercise 7 is required. So it will look pretty good. There we go. So as here, when the value is below 100 is green, when it's over 100 and smaller than 200 is yellow, and when it's negative, I move the number from upper to lower, so it's easier for us to read. And because it's still lower than 100, so it's all filled with green. Thank you so much for watching. Well, we'll see you legends in the next one.